Good morning and happy Tuesday. We started things out yesterday warm and muggy. Same case this morning. Yesterday we were in the 90s. That will be the same case this afternoon. 95 was the high. Officially at the Wilmington International Airport today, notice again above average. Yesterday marked the 11th day in a row that we've seen 90 degrees or higher temperatures in Wilmington. Storm Track 3 radar and satellite just shows some fog developing this morning. Otherwise, rain-free skies to start out our Tuesday morning. Temperatures very warm. Some areas already in the 80s here in Wilmington. That's the case. We're at 80 degrees right now. Southport at 81. Further inland we go. We're in the 70s, 76 degrees for Lumberton this morning. Whiteville, same case, and then Elizabethtown, 78 degrees. Dew points, though, are well into the 70s, so when you walk outside, you can immediately feel the oppressive air, and that's why heat index values are already in the middle 80s here in Wilmington. 86 degrees is what it feels like. Southport at 86 degrees, and then further inland you go, it feels more like the actual temperatures. But the heat will build this afternoon. Again, another heat advisory in place from 11 a.m. until 8 p.m. for all of southeastern North Carolina, because our heat indices will be in the triple digits once again, and it will be the case of the next couple of days that heat will remain in place. Very hot, very humid, as that upper level ridge will still have a good grip on our area. But second half of the week, this is when changes come. A nice break from that heat wave we've had for the last several days. We'll have a dip in our jet stream, and that will allow cooler temperatures and more storms to develop. So even when we have storms, it allows even cooler temperatures. So have a little bonus right there as well. So temperatures will be in the middle to upper 90s over the next couple of days. Forecasting 98 tomorrow. I think that will be probably the warmest day, most likely. Another heat advisory in place for Wednesday into Thursday. Notice what's in store for the later part of the week. 94, 90, even actually below average temperatures for Sunday into Monday. So if you don't like the heat, yes, a break is finally in store, and below average temperatures in the 80s. So rain chances and storm chances stay low today, tomorrow, even into Thursday. Only about an isolated chance to see a storm, but Friday and Saturday ramp up to around 50%. But notice, even if we do see some of these storms develop, they could possibly have some heavy downpours associated with possibly some gusty winds. Storm Prediction Center has southeastern North Carolina under a marginal risk for severe weather. So yes, it's unlikely to see a storm, but it cannot be completely ruled out. So if you're heading out for a bike or a run this morning, do it early. Things really warm up by 10 a.m. around to 88 degrees. Drink water. Make sure you're wearing the sunscreen as well. UV index will be high. Heat indices near 105 degrees this afternoon. Couldn't completely rule out a spotty storm. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Temperatures in the upper 80s at the beaches. Best day to kind of get a little relief from that heat will be at the beaches. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Onshore winds. Notice nothing of concern. The Caribbean Sea, the Gulf of Mexico, and the Atlantic Ocean should stay that way over the next 5 days, but temperatures will finally trend cooler into the weekend with scattered storms possible. Just got to stay weather aware, especially if you're going to be outdoors Saturday and Sunday. Unfortunately, it's not going to be the prettiest weekend, but hey, we're finally going to see a break from the heat. I think a lot of people are kind of glad, like, we'll give or take. No?
Yeah.
I had to do a little bit of running around yesterday, and I had the suit on after I left, and it was like being on the surface of the sun.
Sweating.
It was like, by the time I got home, I was just like, oh, just laying under a fan.